Happy birthday to you.
Baby.
Oh, that's why. Good morning to the birthday girl.
Go away.
It's too dark over there. Lighting is horrible.
That's
Come
why
out,
I ran
come
over
out of the
here.
dark. It's like the beast. Come out. Happy birthday! Woo! Oh. He's so excited. Happy birthday! Lexi's the big 2-5 today. Welcome to Big Old.
Yay.
You excited?
No.
How excited are you about your birthday present?
Very excited. It's really pretty.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Roll the B-roll.
B-Day activity number 1. Walk with the fam.
We're going on a birthday walk right now. This is probably the best like temperature it's been in a while. But then again, we never get up early like this and go for a walk. It's not really that early. What time is it? It's like
8:45.
9 o'clock.
Sit down. Sit.
Oh, hey guys. Yeah, we're finishing up our walk right now. Trying to get some B-roll. I'm trying to get better at doing fast-paced B-roll because we're constantly moving and we don't want to just stand around and be like, okay, do this shot 3,000 times. So a lot of it's really blurry. What are your plans for this next year, being 25?
I plan to travel with my husband and find a job that I love and just be happy.
Yeah? What makes you happy?
And all of those things.
Back at the house and we're making birthday breakfast.
Breakfast. And guess what we have?
What do we have? What do we have?
Mimosa.
Lexi's in her sports attire.
I'm sorry.
You think you're older now that you can show off your body to the world?
No, I'm just hot. I was in a sweatshirt and now it's hot in here and I can wear a sports bra in my home if I want, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Back to our question about what your plans are for 25 and whatnot. What are your fears right now at 25?
Way different from when I was younger. Fears include all of the adult things. Wanting to save money, wanting to spend money, wanting to pay things off. What if we had a kid right now? We would be excited, but then all the worries with that and
I know we say a lot that
all of the things.
we're gonna we want to plan trips before having a kid, but like we literally haven't done anything. But we're trying. We have a couple of trips planned, and it's like, well, can we do more than one? You know, it's not really being able to afford it. It's time off. I get a lot more time off than she does. She works a normal job, and but yeah.
Yep.
I bet all those older people out there right now, they're like, oh, you're so young.
I know.
You
You're
little
only
babies.
25. I hear it all the time.
But I'll tell you what, in a blink of an eye, you're turning 30. Yep. But you know, lately I've ran into a couple people that are older. They complain a lot about what they should have done and whatnot, and they talk about our youth, like don't have kids yet, like I shouldn't have. Just so you know, your parents regret you. Anyways, I'm just kidding. No, but so we want to take some of that advice and do as much as we can before, but we're not against having a child as well, because that is an adventure in itself.
Yep.
And yeah, so let's have some breakfast. Oh snap, there we go. We got the bacon, eggs, avocado, and mimosas. And a nice birthday Instagram post. Go check it out, TomMorg206. And then check out Lexi, I tagged her. She's over here.
I make breakfast tacos. I have to have some form of tortilla or bread with my breakfast.
Yeah. And then Dog has his breakfast. And he had some bacon. He's out there doing his morning devotion. All right, let's eat.
You're always beautiful, Lexi. Stop it.
Is it gone?
I do that.
Birthday
The
FaceTime.
nuggle is real.
All right, Lexi here. I am at the spa to get my massage and haircut. Downstairs in the locker room, it's clothing optional, so I might not be able to record, but Tom might meet up with me later and use the hot tubs and stuff, and we can do it then. But I work at a spa, and I have a free massage for a retail goal that I hit. And I actually got a new job next week, so I wanted to use that massage as fast as I could, and it fell on my birthday, so that was perfect. So yeah, time to relax.
How you feeling?
Do you like a mimosa?
Yeah. How you feeling?
Good.
Do you feel relaxed?
Like Jello.
She just got a hour-long birthday massage.
Yes, it was lovely.
You look relaxed.
I am.
You
I'm
look
like,
like you've been crying.
no, I'm just like exhausted.
Nice.
Feels so good.
Look at her.
Happy birthday, Lexi. You're 25. You're so old, but I still love you.
What is this? This is event number 3.
Yeah.
Lexi got a massage just now, and now we're drinking mimosas in the hot tub.
And then I have a haircut blood afterwards.
And then we'll try to figure something out in between. But ooh, it got dark. Anyways, we're gonna enjoy our spa time. Alright, so I'm a little bit crazy, and I really wanted to spoil Lexi this year. So I went to Lululemon and I just bought her a pair of Lululemons that she's been wanting. So you're worth it, babe. I love you. Alright.
We are headed to dinner. We are going to Juan's Flaming Fajitas.
Yes.
And I'm excited. I've heard it's really good. So yeah, I'm excited. Have some margs on happy hour. Have some food. Tom's checking his lights.
Sweet, sweet. Look who's got her margarita already.
You got your
I was gonna walk
Good
away
night.
without paying. I was like, I gotta pay my bill.
Happy birthday.
Here's your water, dude.
Uh-oh.
This is so good. You almost sloshed all that out.
I know, right? Lexi's opening presents. Yep.
Has his wife beater t-shirt on.
Yeah. What is it? Oh, it's a blue. It looks like a
Look at
Tiffany
every
box.
side.
So it has a date established 2019, my name, your name, and Rex's name. That's so cute.
And it's rose gold.
Present number 2 of the night.
It's health insurance information.
Uh-oh.
These are cute. Nice. Ooh, Puma.
There you go.
Nice.
Puma. Oh, look whose hair's on it.
Him's his hair. It's Rex's hair.
What is it?
Hey, you know how many of these I wear like a day?
Yeah, but Tom got her the expensive one. This
She got
Lululemon.
I wear
Lululemon.
all of the kinds.
She gets a pair every year.
So
rolled to the center.
Those are nice.
Able to roll right now. It's a lot of taquitos.
You hot? It's super hot. It's flaming hot.
Mom's flaming.
Dang.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Juanita. Happy birthday to you.
Wow. Happy birthday. All right, guys, that's the end of the vlog. Thank you for joining us. Lexi had a great day. It's actually the next day. We just forgot to close out the vlog last night. So we'll see you on the next one. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up. We love that. And we'll see you on the next one.